getting ready. Sabi ni Dan, mag-backpack daw ako kasi, punta kami Alcatraz. Ano siya, guys? Was it a jail?
Yeah.
It was a jail. It's a haunted jail, is it?
Some say.
Pero yeah, punta kami dun, guys. Mamayang gabi pa yun. What time is the Alcatraz?
4:45.
4:45? O mamayang hapon pa yun. But it's now almost 12. Yeah, 11:35 ng umaga. We will go to Starbucks first and then walk around Fisherman's Wharf and go to Alcatraz. So, magbabackpack ako kasi sabi ni Dan, magbackpack ka. I will be using my Kate Spade backpack. And I have been using this as well, yung card holder from Kate Spade, yung may zippered compartment. So, dito ko nilalagay yung mga cards and yung cash dito. So, very handy siya, guys. Very, very handy. Tapos, ang liit lang niya. So, it will fit sa, like, maliit na bag. Gaya nito. Yung mga dinadala ko lang, yung mga importante lang, like, hand cream, sunnies, kasi it is sunny outside. Ball ko na merong battery at saka yung ng headphones. Yung para sa iPhone 7. And then yung aming dango from T-Mobile, mints, headache tablet. Ano din pala ito? Sa mata ko, drops. And I have been bringing this. Ano siya, guys? Efficacent na relaxing oil. I think bigay sa akin to ni Roselyn. Thank you, Roselyn. Ginamit ko to nasa plane kami. Hindi ko naman siya kailangan, pero wala lang. It's fun to have. And yung nasa bag ko na mga makeup item is 2 lipsticks lang. Yung 3CE na maliit na lipstick. Yung matte na shade niya is Smoked Rose. Ang ganda kasi nito. Yan ay. Ang cute. Tapos ang liit-liit pa niya. So parang nawawala lang siya sa bag mo. And then yung Romand na Juicy Lasting Lip Tint. Fig. Ito yung gagamitin ko today. And yun lang. Sabi niya magdala daw ng gloves. Feeling ko hindi ko naman kailangan. Kahapon malamig din, pero hindi naman siya masyadong malamig kasi it's sunny. Punta kami in and out, guys, para sa kanya. I have my cheese, Danish, and my coffee. Iced latte. Is it good? They get the burger animal style, guys.
Not as good as your house, do it? But better
Shake
than the
Shack.
last one. Shake Shack.
Yeah.
But better than the last one we had.
Better than the last in and out? Okay. Punta kami dito, guys. Musée Mécanique. There you go. What is it here, babe?
Antique coin-operated arcades.
Antique coin-operated. Nandun pala. Hindi naman nagbabasa kasi si Rhaze. Nakakatakot. So, lahat dito, coin-operated. Tapos, meron pa dito. Wala, ang luluma, ha? Antique nga eh. Parang, ewan. So, $1.
What size notes do you have, babe?
I'm not sure. I don't think I have $1. I think I only have 20s. It's in the big compartment, babe. Gusto naman yung makeup ko. Uy, yung ano ko ba, concealer ko kanina, nagki-cake up man ng konti. Ewan ko, hindi ko na pinansin masyado. Sabi ko, magsisimula na naman ulit. Bahala siya. Pero nag-drunk blush na naman ako, guys. Same lip tint yung ginamit ko. Did you find it? I don't think I have 5. I have 1.
No, I mean you got 1.
Oh, that's yours?
They're mine.
Sige, tama yan, babe. You're right.
No, mate.
Ayaw niya. Kabila. Dili. Pataka naman siya, oy. Yan, tama yan. Yes, that's right, babe. Get your money.
You got 4?
Yeah, I got 4. Oh, we got 3. 4. 4 again. How much are you planning to change?
So I only give me $3.
$3?
I was done a bit more if I had more.
Look. Okay, that's it. Ano gagawin natin? Huh? I like this game. Ito. What most? Ganda kaya nito, oh. Primera. Segunda, tercera, cuarta, quinta. Hindi ko alam kung ano to guys, pero it's the Thimble Theater. They dance. Insert quarter. Okay. Look! Ayan lang. That's it! Akala ko laro. Ano ba naman yan, babe?
That's a quarter well spent.
Oh my goodness. Yun lang. Babe, this one. What is this? This looks like the Hill House. Hello.
Ready?
Sige. Ah, it says quarters to play.
Yeah, well, I put in a quarter.
Are we playing or watching?
You're watching.
We're watching.
Here, look, he's gonna hang.
Ay, hello. Hill House nga. You don't want to play with me?
No.
Push start. I'm so good at this.
You don't want to miss any.
Go drop balls down.
Give it the mustard.
You meant to hit him. You meant to hit him. Oh my god. Oh my god. You suck. I got the middle one.
Oh, so close. Give it another shot.
Ito guys, mananalo ka ng gold. O, diba? Nanalo ako ng gold, babe. So, see? Is it here? Look, I got one. Ah, a ring!
Of course, it's gonna be a pile of crap.
Babe, will you marry me?
No.
Wait, relax ka. Madam, will you marry me?
No.
You don't have a choice. Yes. That's it, 50 cents. That's you.
It's so stupid, it's funny.
Dami dito guys, mga ganito mga old school ba. Hinanap ko Bato City. Meron Pacman. Merong bowling dito. Ano ginagawa mo, babe? What are you doing? What is it?
Museum really present a universal picture, Luna La Plante, 1927 film, Good Things and Turner.
Ah, okay.
And it's just like paper
Alright.
of each scene.
Is it good?
You won't like it.
Okay. Oh my god!
Now hit it, yeah. Now you do it.
Come on, babe.
I used to bet paper to stay.
Oh, whatever, babe. Char. Oh, good job, my love. Where's the ball? Try daw namin to, guys. Love test. So, insert coin, put your hand on panel as shown, relax, test it over, ready for score. Okay.
So you can be dead fish, old fashioned, warm, sensual,
Sensual.
passionate, hot stuff, wicked.
Okay.
I know
Okay.
which one you are.
Which one? Which one?
We'll see what the machine says. Yeah, put your fingers down. Now put your fingers on it now. But... Okay, okay.
Relax. Let's relax. That's right.
That's what I was thinking.
Well, but. Was it really?
Yeah, I was actually.
Hindi siya masyadong kita, guys. Pero dyan kami pupunta, oh. Dyan yung Alcatraz. Diba, medyo nakakatakot siya, guys. Jail yan noon. Tapos ngayon, they do tours there. Wala! Hill House. Dito kami sa Buden, guys. Tingnan niyo yung mga bread. Ang cute. Yan. Punta sila doon. Ikot, ikot. Ang cute. We just finished doing the dungeons. Ano siya, guys? Nakakatakot siya. Pero it's very worth. How much did we pay for it, Ben?
$25.
$25 each?
No.
For both of us?
For both.
So, he booked, binili niya yung ticket sa Groupon. Hindi niya actually alam kung ano yun nung nag-book siya. And kahit na dumating na kami doon, hindi namin alam kung ano talaga siya. But it's good. Napaka-ano lang, nakakatakot kasi ako, lahat naman kinakatakutan ko. Hindi ako naniniwala sa multo, pero natatakot ako. The actors, they were really good. Basta parang bibigyan kanila ng history. Parang ina-act nila yung history ng yung San Francisco, yung Alcatraz, pero twisted. Basta maganda siya, guys. Nakakatakot. May ride sa pinaka-last, pero parang wala lang siya. Ano lang siya, drop. Like, sobrang konti lang. Sobrang baba lang nung drop. Pero it was good. $25 siya originally dun. Pero again, binook namin siya beforehand and we paid $25 for both of us. So, try nyo. Kapag nakita nyo yung grupo na deal, get it. Kasi it is worth it. Sabi nila, it's funny. Pero hindi siya funny para sa akin. Nakakatakot siya. Tawa-tawa lang ako dun. Pero takot na pala. Now, we're going to... Where are we going, babe?
The main part.
Main part? Magoon's Infinite Mirror Maze. 5 minutes?
Tops.
Ito din yung isa sa mga binook niya sa grupo. How much did you pay for this?
$5.
$5 for both of us?
No.
Each.
$2
Okay.
each.
Oh, so yeah, I said $5 for both of us.
Yes.
So yeah, $2.50 each. Australian, babe?
I don't know.
US. Nandito siya sa Pier 39. Parang walang tao. So ganito siya, oh. Sana pwede mo picture sa loob. Sa mirror lang siya. Mirror maze. Hindi to nakakatakot. So, okay lang to. So ito mirror. My gosh. Nakakaano. Mirror to. Pinasuot kami ng gloves para walang fingerprints. Uy, careful, baby. Over, Edgar. Here. Yeah, anuin mo yung paa mo. Mirror.
This is funny.
It is funny. But it's nakakalipong. Mirror. Babe, stop. Where are you? Ay, nigar, ang buwang kita ko rin na makay. Wait, mahadlo ko. Natatakot ako baka maano tayo ba, babe? Baka mabagay. Oh, nigar. Lalalala. Babe, enjoy it. Don't go quickly. Oh, see?
Ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, sorry, didn't flash. Ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay.
Dito kami, guys, sa Budin. Yung kanina na pinakita ko sa inyo, doon yun malapit sa, hindi ko alam, basta Dito, Budin, iba to sa pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. Nandito kami sa Pier 39. And dito kami sa Budin, guys. Yan. Bili kami ng clam chowder. Kasi isa daw yun sa mga pinakasikat na pagkain dito. Clam chowder sa sourdough bread. And I got soda water kasi hindi kami mag-soft drinks, diba? So ito, para siyang soft drinks pero tubig siya. Dan did really well today kasi nag-in and out siya, guys. And sabi niya, ang tsaka naman na tubig yung, i-partner ng burger. Pero nagtubig siya. Good job, my love. Sabi niya, hindi ako magtutubig. Mag-soft drinks ako kahit isang beses lang kapag kumain ako ng burger. Pero he didn't. So we're doing really well. Tubig all the way. Ito yung clam chowder, guys. Yummers. Share lang kami ni Dan kasi hindi ko naman ito mauubos. Ang dami nito.
I bet you won't like it.
Do you think so? It's very fishy. It's good. Okay lang. No, actually,
You probably can use your bread to dip it.
I like it. You don't like it?
No, it's alright. Use bread to dip it. Yeah.
You know what? This reminds me of your mom's spinach dip. Yun, ang sarap nun. Grabe. That one's way better than this. But that's different. That's cheese and spinach.
All the good stuff.
Guys, hindi inaasahang pangyayari ang nangyari. Hindi natuloy yung aming Alcatraz trip tour kasi hindi clear yung sky. Ano ba? What was the reason why?
It was too misty.
Yeah, too hazy.
Yeah.
Mafog, guys. So hindi natuloy. Pinarebook namin siya kinabukasan pero hindi guaranteed na matutuloy din bukas. Pero nandito kami sa Girardelli Square. Girardelli. Parang meron daw chocolate tour dito. Is that right? Chocolate tour?
No, they probably do chocolate tours, but he's famous for chocolate.
Okay, famous for chocolate daw to dito, guys. Maganda, oh. Dito kami sa Girardelli's Imperial. Dito kami sa cafe, guys. Girardelli's Cafe. We ordered hot chocolate. He ordered salted caramel hot chocolate. Yung akin is yung classic. Large. Meron siyang whipped cream. And then, what's this? A dessert.
Cookies and yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah, that's alright. That's your chocolate, that's your cookie, we had mine.
Oh, you did already?
Yeah.
Nagpunta kasi ako sa toilet, tapos kinain niya na daw yung kanya. Is it really sweet?
No.
Do you think I will like it?
No.
We're back sa room, guys. Ang kalat. Kailangan natin tong Actually, mag-start na ako mag-pack. Wala nang shopping. Tapos na! So, pwede ko na i-pack yung mga Okay. Yan yung gagawin natin, guys. Mag-start tayo mag-pack. Maaga pa mag-Uber Eats lang kami. Hello, babe! The birdie! Look! Nasa news yung birdie, yung ginamit namin sa LA. LA? Was it LA or Vegas? LA.
What's
Yeah.
that?
The birdie.
Oh, baby.
The birdie! The scooter. LA?
Yeah.
Yeah, Venice Beach. In fairness sa lighting dito, yung nasa mukha ko, guys, is the Glam Glow Mud Mask. Super Mud. Clearing Treatment Mask. Ito yung free nung nag-order ako sa Sephora the first time. Sa New York ata yun. Wala naman ako nakikitang massive difference nung ginamit ko tong mask na to. I think this is my 4th time using this. Ginamit ko lang siya ulit kasi gusto ko siyang ubusin. So, I think I have 1 use left. So, gagamitin ko to bukas. Para hindi ko na siya dalhin ba? Para hindi ko na siya mabalik. Kasi I was packing earlier and I was like, marami naman akong mga dito na pwede kong iwan or pwede kong ubusin. Like, ito malapit na siya maubos. So, pwede ko na siyang iwan. Nag-Uber Eats kami, guys. Calzone?
Yeah.
Calzone daw to, guys. Parang, hindi ko siya maintindihan. Basta parang meron siyang laman sa loob. Tapos,
It should come with a lot more sauce than that as well.
covered with,
It should be covered in
yeah.
sauce.
Hindi ko alam guys. Pero ganyan yung itsura niya. Mag-share lang kami kasi hindi ko yun mauubos ang laki niyan. Gabi na guys. Nakapag-edit ako ng 2 videos. And na-ready ko na yung 3 videos para sa next 3 days. So, that's good. Hindi kami tuloy sa Alcatraz bukas guys. Kasi yung air quality, yun pala yung sinasabi ko kanina. Air quality. Hindi ko kasi alam kanina kung ano talaga yung ganap. Yung air quality pala, hindi maganda dahil sa nangyari na sunog. So, naapektuhan yung pati San Francisco naapektuhan. So, hindi actually safe yung air. Kaya pala ang daming nagmamask kanina kasi yun pala yung nangyari. Yung air quality hindi safe na langhapin ng tao. Update din sa aking Louis, paring Louis na bag. Yun din nakakaloka. Hindi pa dumating yung refund sa account ko. So, wala. Wala akong bag. I don't think ma-refund siya bukas. Kasi parang weekend. Kasi pa weekend na eh. And it takes like 24 to 72 business hours. So, yun wala din. Ang ginawa ni Dan kagabi, nakakaloka din siya. Nag-transfer siya ng pera sa Citibank account namin, yung sa travel na account namin, kagabi. Hindi niya inisip na weekend na. So, yung pag-transfer ng pera may take like 24 to 72 business hours din. So, nag-transfer siya kagabi. Hanggang ngayon, wala pa. And I don't think matatanggap namin yun sa travel account namin. Kasi nga, it will take up to 72 business hours. And yun, nagsayang lang siya ng oras niya pag-transfer ng pera. Wala din naman, hindi din naman siguro makakauwi na kami before pa siya ma-transfer successfully. And, pwede naman gamitin yung card namin, 'di ba? Kasi dala naman namin yung normal lang na card namin. Kaya lang, papatayin kami sa fees, guys. Kung bibilhin ko siya dito, mahal na nga siya, $250 more US, ha? Kasi may tax. Yun yung tax. Tax pa lang yun, ha? 250. Lalo na siguro kapag may conversion fee pa, tapos may transaction fee. So, sobrang lalaki siya. So, iisip ko kapag hindi ko siya makuha, siguro sa ano na lang, kapag bumalik na lang kami sa Melbourne, kasi hindi din siya available online sa Australia. So, hindi siya mapaship sa akin. Kailangan akong tumawag sa mga shops individually kung available ba siya doon or magpalagay ako sa waitlist. Yun. Napaka-disappointing kasi kung nakuha ni ate ng tama yun, hindi na siguro kami mag-go through sa mga ganito. Pero okay lang, bago lang kasi siya. So, okay lang. Sabi nga ni Dan dun kami, sobrang bait mo kasi kung ako yun, magagalit talaga ako kasi nagkamali siya. Tapos, ngayon, like, we're tired na, hindi na natin, parang wala tayong magawa, wala kang bag. Tapos yung pera natin nandun lang. Kasi wala siya sa account namin eh, kasi naghihintay pa kami ng refund. So, nasa nasa somewhere lang siya, wala siya sa amin. And ilang araw na, well, hindi naman. Kahapon ba yun? Kahapon ba yun? Yeah. So, parang isang araw na. Diba? Nakakaloka. Anyway, yun na yung vlog, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like this video kung na-enjoy nyo. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Be good. Bye.